How long do you think you can survive in another country without eating any food from your home country? As adventurous as I am with food, I still don't think I can survive for so long without eating anything from my home country, Nigeria. Now, African yam in any shape or form, fried, boiled, however you cook it, is one of my favorite Nigerian food. And in today's video, I will be making yam and plantain porridge. And to be honest, everything was against this recipe, but I still went ahead to make it and I enjoyed it thoroughly at the end as well. I started the cooking process by prepping my pepper mix, which includes some tomatoes, some bell peppers, some chilies, and onion. Just basic pepper mix, no garlic, no ginger, no nothing. You're going to go ahead to blend the peppers together and set it aside. Next, I added some palm oil into my pan. Palm oil for this yam porridge is a must for me, so I added a bit of palm oil. I don't like to overdo things, especially when it comes to oil. So if you want more oil, you can decide to add more. I came in with some onions, sauteed my onion a little bit, and came in with the blended pepper like so. Here's my peeled yam. Usually when I buy my yam, I peel it, clean it, and I store it in the freezer because these things can be difficult to come by when you live outside Nigeria, and they can be expensive as well. So to prevent it from spoiling or wastage, I usually store it in the freezer and I bring it out when I need it. Let me use this opportunity to welcome you to my channel. If you're just coming across this video for the very first time, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And to all my existing subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all your amazing support. Really, really appreciate you. So to the yam, I've added some water, added some seasoning powder, seasoning cube, or whatever you call it. I added some crayfish because that is very important. I added some dried uzisa leaf, my personal preference, because I just wanted that local taste, that authentic Nigerian taste. So you're going to cover it and allow that to boil. While the yam is boiling in that rich, flavorful sauce, I went ahead to prepare my plantain. This plantain is going to add some sweetness into this yam porridge. I'm thankful to God that in whatever country I find myself, I can always get plantain. And plantain for me, like yam, is very, very important. I can roast it, I can fry it, I can put it in my porridge like I'm doing here. And, you know, it just takes me back home. It just makes me feel at home. At this point, my yam is nearly done, but unfortunately this yam is not the best for yam porridge. That was why I mentioned earlier that everything was against this yam porridge, but that is not going to stop me. So even though this yam some of it should have mashed at this point, nothing is happening. But it's okay. So I came in with my plantain, added some smoked mackerel for extra flavor, and I am going to cover it again and allow the plantain to soak up some of that delicious flavor as well. After cooking this yam for about 40 minutes, which by now this should be looking all mushy and soft by just looking at it, but no, this wasn't happening. So I came in with my rolling pin to begin to mash this away. I told you everything was against this yam porridge, but I was so determined because I love yam so much. I was not going to throw it away and I was not going to give up on my desire to make yam porridge for myself. I love my yam porridge mashed, so I mash it quite well with with the help of the rolling pin, and this is what I have now. I do like to add some grains into my yam porridge as well, so I thought I add unsliced frozen spinach, but no, I had a slice, the store-bought one that are really, really tiny slice. So again, another thing that was against this yam porridge, but no, I'm not going to give up. So I drained that and came in with that as well. At this point, I turned off the fire and I'm just going to leave this spinach in the pan for just few minutes before I mix it together. After adding the spinach, I covered my pan again. I just allowed the spinach to sit with the porridge for about 2 minutes, and this is what I have. Still nice and steamy, and I gave everything a good mix together, and there you have it. My delicious yam porridge is ready. No matter what happened along the way, this was delicious. This didn't look exactly how I wanted it to, but it was edible, it was delicious, and I enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Please help me to like this video, help me to share, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.